So hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your truly Ian Pius guys, and today I'm back again with another video. I always come each and every week updating you guys with the pairs that I'm trading, the one which are already moving and the one which are still getting prepared for their for their moves I mean. So today I'm back and I will be able to talk about the pairs that I've been talking about last week, and also why there's one fan of mine who tapped me in the comment section and then told me that I should first talk about gold and S&P 500, and I will also come and talk about it in this video guys. So I urge you guys to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button, so whenever I'm releasing any video, you'll be the first person to come and watch this video guys. This video it's just all with from my experiences. I'm not trying to copy somebody. I'm just whatever I'm coming to, I'll give you guys here in YouTube. It's something that I have done it myself, and I did always keep on doing it each and every time. So this time, guys, last time I told you guys that last time I quit YouTube. Reason being, I wasn't seeing that much good results out of my trades and all this. But this time, bro, guys, I'm never gonna quit. No matter what's gonna happen with my trades, I'll be able to stick with you guys here. Cause there's no way I will be able to learn something if I'm always quitting. But this time, there's no more quitting. We're gonna be sticking together until we build this kind of a edge, until we make it until guys. So thank you, and guys, let's roll to this video of today guys. So what am I having here? Last time I talked about GBPCHF, that I've already taken the trade, and this trade is already running, but it's running in a loss guys. Where's the GB? It's here guys. I'm running in this trade, but still haven't this trade haven't yet this trade haven't yet tapped my stop loss. It's still running in a, although it's running in a loss, but this trade I am still bullish about. I'm still bearish about it, guys. I'm still very, 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 very bearish about it. Although I'm in a loss. What I'm saying here, what I just did, I entered this trade. I entered this trade too early, but I'll be able to hold it unless maybe it takes me out, but I'm not seeing it taking me out anytime soon guys. Because if you see, this is a trend line and the market has already broken this trend line, and right now it's retesting this trend line. So I'll just lay low and wait for market to do whatever it wants to do, because we have no control with this market. We just move with what the market is doing. If it takes me out, I'm okay. If it doesn't, yeah, let it just roll to its TP. I will not talk much more about this GBP, because last time I've already talked about it and how I'll be able to take this trade. So if you want to take this trade, just wait for the market to retest this trend line and give a bearish engulfing candlestick within a 4-hour time frame. Make sure it should be a 4-hour time frame, not a 1 hour, but a 4-hour time frame. That's when you'll be able to come and take this trade. And this is our first TP is gonna be here. And this first TP, guys, is about 1:5, which is such a very good risk to reward. So I'm holding this trade for at least some more 2 3 at least for some 2 weeks, and I will see what is gonna happen with this trade. So this GBP I've already talked about last time. I just want to show you how my trade is moving. And last time guys, I talked to you guys about GBP USD, which is still not yet broken. Remember last guys, I told you guys you can only we can only be sure about the sell unless the market break this zone, but the market haven't broken it, and I see the market showing some kind of reversal in the daily time frame. So in case of any changes, I will be able to come back again guys to you guys and let you know anything about GBP USD. And then last time guys, I talked about which trade. I also talked about Euro NZ Euro NZ, and which Euro NZ never had the time to come back and then retest our zone, and right now has just tap onto our TP guys. This is a TP that I've already tapped on it, and guys, to be honest, I never hold this straight up to here. Reason being, I don't know what just happened to me. This thing of you being predicting the market is really, 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 really very, very bad. Instead of you letting the market flows to its direction, you are trying to predict something. Guys, what I did, I told you guys last time how I was able to take this trade from here, and then it got somewhere here. I got it. I got out thinking this market will first come back here and retest it once more before it continued going to the direction. But see what just the market did. The market just broke above and just continued to its direction. And you see, I would have taken 1:7 to reward, guy, which is very, very, very huge. But you see, what I only took was only 1:3, guys, which is good, guys. Yeah, 1:3 is good, but imagine the rest of the four the rest of the 4 hour I wasn't able to take it, but I learned from these guys. So next time I'll be able to hold onto my trade because I'm a swing trader. I need to be able to have that kind of a patience and hold tie until the final TP. So guys, this is one of the lessons that I've learned from this trade, but has already happened. There's nothing you can do about it. In fact, I just have to move on. So what the most part that I want to talk about today is the goal that this one of my followers said I should talk about. And I want to talk today. I want to update you guys about goal, what goal is doing, and what I'm expecting out of goal in the next coming few days, guys. If you are to see goal is still quite more bullish from the high time frame, as you could see, guys. It's just making higher, higher, higher lows, higher, higher, higher lows, higher, higher. It came and make a same lows here, which is showing us it just came here to retest this kind of a demand zone. So this showing us this market is still going way much more bullish, guys. And also it's not about that. You see, this is where the market started, all this journey from here to here. And so if I'm to get my Fibonacci from the zone to the zone, I could see here was a 55th Fibonacci whereby the market just wanted to come and retest it, and then it continued moving to the upside, guys. So everything from a weekly time frame, this market looks quite more bullish. If I'm to go into a daily time frame, guys, you could see after when the market came and retested here, the market came and also give a reversal pattern in a daily time frame, which shows this market wants to reverse to the upside, guys. So it looks quite bullish for me. It looks quite really, really bullish, guys. The market made for us a double bottom here, broke with a bullish engulfing, came back and retested it, but you still haven't taken this trade. I don't like to trade gold, guys, because this season gold is too volatile, and my account cannot be able to hold that trade light. That's why I don't like to trade golds quite much. But if I'm to take this trade, this is what I'll be able to do. I'll be able to come into a 4 hour. And guys, you could say this how I was able to draw my counter trend line. As if you've been following me for quite a long while, you know I like trading a counter trend line. I like trading a pullback, supply and demand, but not much more of the uh, support and not quite much more about the break and retest. I like trading counter trend line and then supply demand and so forth, guys. So if I'm to be able to take this trade, this is what I'm gonna be able to do. What I always used to do was when the market break and retest it, I always want to wait it to come pull back for the second time. But I could take this trade from here, but it's really so dangerous for me to take this trade from here. Reason being, this trend line is still holding this market, and anything can happen. Just the market can just easily blow all the way to the downside. So what I can only do for this trade, only unless the market break above this counter trend line, retested it, and then give me a bullish engulfing candlestick in a 4 hour, then I'll be able to take this trade. And my first TP, guys, my first TP, our overall TP has to be here, but my first TP, if I'm to come to a daily time frame and I look to the left, this is where my first TP has to be, because this where the supply zone was very strong, and then it dropped this market all the way to here. And so if the market reach here, it will always come and then respect this zone and show some kind of reaction, which whereby if you're not quite patient, you might not be able to take any kind of profit. So if I'm to take this trade, quite pretty simple. Let the market break above this corner trend line, retest it, a bullish engulfing in a 4 hour, your first TP, second TP, and then let the rest just to roll. Let the rest to roll. So this is what I'll be able to do with gold. if it does if it does what I said, guys. So that is just for the goal. And let us go and talk about S&P 500, which whereby I'm already into this trade. Although I never told you guys about S&P. S&P is really right now. We are about to go down, guys. We are about to go down. Let's first break down small. Let us break down something about S&P. If you guys are to see S&P, it has just only been making. If you guys know how S&P move, S&P always, whenever it's giving us a bullish trend, it will always first come back down and retest a zone, I mean a 55th before it going to the next level, guys. As you guys could see, after when the market, this S&P started moving from here, it came back and retested 55th before going to another direction. So this is what even the market is trying to do right now. This was a lower highs, I mean, yeah, lower lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, guys. So the market has to first come and make for us another higher lows, guys, somewhere around here. And the market has to come and make for us a higher low somewhere around here. This was a higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So the market has to come and make for us a higher low somewhere here before it continue moving to the upside. And if I'm to put with a Fibonacci from swing high to, I mean from swing low to swing high, you could see this is a zone where I'm expecting S&P to come to, guys. So which means from the high time frame, I've already seen where I'm expecting the market to go to. And also, if you guys could see, after when the market came in, the market got stuck somewhere around here. And when it broke, you could see how the market started running with all this kind of all this kind of bullish momentum, guys. You guys could see from here, this market is so quite bearish right now. And when the market came and broke here, guys, you could see how the market started dropping. And there was a trade I took like some quite months back, and I want to, let me show you guys how I was able to take this trade. Oh, just pretty simple. I drew a counter trend line from here to here. After the market broke it, the market came and retested. And that's why I was able to take this trend and just let it float to all the way to here. So right now, what the market is happening, the market is just doing the same thing. The market came to the 55th. Even before the market reaches here, the market create for us a supply zone somewhere here where I came and draw this zone. I came and draw this zone. This zone can only look quite more clear from a 4-hour time frame. Before the market reached this zone here, the market came and created for us a supply zone somewhere here, and then it dropped. The market came here, tried to retest it, tried to go down, it failed. It came here, fail until it reaches here, guys. So what I did was also quite much more pretty simple. I used a counter trend line break. The market come and broke it, retested it, and now you see the market has given us a bearish engulfing candlestick in a 4-hour, which shows us this market now is ready to go down. It's ready to go to its direction. That's how I was able to come and take this trade. My stop loss above the structure. My first TP here, and when the market reaches this first TP, I will take some of my profit and then let the rest to roll all away to its prime target where I'm targeting it, where I'm targeting this trade to reach all the way to somewhere here. This is where I'm expecting S&P to go. And so if you want to take this trade, it's pretty much simple. I'm expecting this market to come from here to here, but this is where I'll first take some of my profit out. So if you want to take this trade, guys, S&P is for now, it is bearish. It's not that the trend has changed, but just the market is trying to go to the 55th to retest it before continuing the bullish trend. The market, the overall is still bullish, but just for the short-term trade. That's what S&P is doing. So if you want to take this trade, pretty much simple. Let this market, if you from a 4-hour, the market has created for us a pattern somewhere here. So the only thing you can do, and because the neckline is somewhere around here, the neckline is somewhere around here. So if I come to 1 hour, the market is now trying to retest this neckline, guys. So just wait for the market to retest the neckline like so, and then take this trade to its prime target. which is somewhere here. So you can easily take this trade from somewhere around here. Let the market come and retest here once more before it continue with its direction to the downside. So that is for the S&P. And guys, if you want me to talk about any pair, just drop it into the comment section so that next time when I'm coming to talk about my pairs that I'm trading, I'll be able to talk about it in the next coming video, guys. So this is what is happening with the S&P. And if you really watch this video until the end of this video, guys, I really thank you and appreciate you for your support and everything. And guys, if you find any kind of value into this video, guys, I urge you to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button because there's still more what we'll be doing in this 2026. The year has just begun and we haven't still accomplished much more, but we are going to accomplish more. I will not just be talking about trades, and I will also be talking about how you can be able to manage your trade, because it's not all just about you coming to take a trade and then just sometimes emotion will come and take over you and you won't be able to, even though you know this market will come from here to here, there's some certain thing whereby it's going to be happening in between here whereby some of us we cannot be able to manage it. And when I was still just beginning it trading it, that's what it has been happening with me, but right now I'm able now to manage my trade as a string trader to ready roll up to its final prime target. So guys, I've come to the end of the video, and if you find any value, I just thank you, appreciate you for everything that you're doing for me, and also give me any kind of advice on how you want me to be doing my content, because this content is not just for me to learn, but it's also for you guys to learn. So thank you guys, and just use a proper risk management, guys. And for now, thank you and have a good trading week.